my fashion, and it's been 1 year and 4 months since I've straightened my hair or put any heat whatsoever in my hair. Now I'm doing a journey to waist length, but I wanted to straighten it just to get a little quick trim and check on my ends, and actually they weren't very bad. And since I had it straight already, I figured I would take advantage of the style and just do like an at-home silk press like they do in the salon. This isn't even clean hair. You should do it on clean hair. I used Silk Infusion and the Solano Sleek Heat flat iron, and I just flat ironed my hair, and then the next day I just added a little bit of curl to it. Now what I'm gonna do is kind of at-home silk wrap, which I've never done. So I'm going to use Saran Wrap, and ideally you should have like a hooded dryer or like a dryer bonnet, but I'm going to try to rig my dryer to do it, and that wrapping it in the Saran Wrap will lock in the moisture and just give that extra shiny bouncy curls. And again, this is, let's see how long it is. Well, it's not straight, so you won't be able to get an idea for the length, but just for the purposes of the video, just to kind of show you how nice and silky and healthy it already is, just doing that process. And I've got an array of tools, whichever you like to use: wide tooth comb, bristle brush, is that where, or hard bristle brush? I forget what people call this. Denman brush and a small comb. Okay, so I'm going to start by just kind of combing forward a little bit. I just kind of like to comb everything, my roots forward, with a wide tooth comb, and then I like to go in with either a paddle brush or a Denman brush. Is that clockwise or counterclockwise? Well, whichever direction this is, hold the top as I swirl around. So I'm going to go ahead and start with a nice Saran Wrap situation, and I will come back to you in a few after my experimental silk wrap dry and see what the results are. So what I did, because I don't have a hooded dryer, is I used my handleless dryer, Red by Kiss, which I love. Doesn't have a handle, so it's like super easy. And then I attached a diffuser to it. This is from the Curly Co. I think I got this on Amazon. So usually you sit under the dryer on like the lowest setting for about 15 to 20 minutes. I think I probably did 10 minutes on, I start off on the warm. Twist it off. Ooh, this is fun. Twisting. In there tight. You twist. I don't think. But let's start letting it down. Oh, look at that. Yeah. So, oh, I think it parted naturally. I was gonna take my comb and give it a little part, but it has parted itself naturally. So comb through and do the little that little salon push they do. Don't you love that? I absolutely love it. I love it. So yeah, they'll make, and they do that little ooh, that ooh ah sensation. These are my results. And it will probably be a lot silkier and a lot bouncier on clean hair. I love it. Get a little action there. Little body yaddy yaddy. Thank you for watching. flip my hair, babe? Do this. Just push it like that. Push it forward. There you go. Here, just comb it down like this. Here, go ahead. You're in this now. You might as well help. He said he was gonna help me with my hair. He lied to me.
I lied.
Now's your chance. Here, go ahead. Just comb it. Go ahead. You're not actually combing it, babe. Just go. You're ridiculous.